Hi there, students. Rubber stamp. Okay, so a noun or a verb. Now the noun is easy and obvious. A rubber stamp, you stamp something on it. Yeah, maybe it's got the date on it and yeah, a rubber stamp. Yeah, it's something with maybe a symbol on it, and you press it on the ink pad, and then you bang it onto the document to show that the document has been officially dealt with. Yeah. So all documents need to be stamped with a rubber stamp. To stamp is the idea. But as a verb, I think this is much more interesting. So to rubber stamp, to officially approve something without thinking about it, yeah, without giving it any due care and consideration. So if you're lucky, they'll just rubber stamp your agreement, yeah, automatically approve. Parliament just rubber stamped the decisions made by the ruling party. Okay, so to rubber stamp, to approve of, to endorse as a matter of routine, yeah, is what somebody else has told you to do. So don't think about it, just rubber stamp it. Yeah, when an authority rubber stamps a decision or a law, they just agree to it. Yeah, they don't give it due diligence. They don't think about it. Yeah. So yeah, they just add their permission to it. I don't know, when you go with your credit card to a shop, if it's a small purchase, you just put your credit card and that's it. Yeah, if it's a small amount, and I would say effectively that's just rubber stamped. If it's a larger amount, you've got to enter a key code or other things, and that's more complicated. Okay, so to rubber stamp somebody's application, the organization agreed with everything the leader said. They just acted as a rubber stamp for his orders. Yeah, is to give perfunctory approval of something. Yeah, to endorse a policy without assessing it, yeah, without thinking whether it's good or not. Yeah, to automatically authorize a payment without challenging it, going back to the credit card. Yeah. Okay, so to rubber stamp, to authorize but without thinking about it. Yeah. So yes, I think many civil servants, they just rubber stamp their work. Yeah, they're told to rubber stamp it. They are effectively acting as rubber stamps, but they don't actually do anything. Yeah, they don't even check you fulfilled all the conditions. They just doop 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 doop, and they don't read any of them. Yeah, and that's the idea of rubber stamping. If you stop it and go through it and check, then you're not rubber stamping it, because you're actually checking that everything is okay and everything is right. So let's see. Formality. Well, the rubber stamp, the physical thing, 5 informality, use anywhere. I think as in this verb to approve something without thinking about it, I think I'm going to give it a 4. Use it informally, use it as in a semi-formal conversation, in semi-formal writing. In something very formal, I think I'm going to go to process or approve automatically. Yeah, you could have rubber stamp politics where nobody ever disagrees with the powerful people in an organization, or a rubber stamp committee. So a committee or an organization that's just there to approve the decisions without actually thinking about them. Okay, so rubber stamp. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, but think about it, don't just rubber stamp it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To rubber stamp. tup, 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 tup.